This is laundry detergent. What am I going to be using this laundry detergent for? I'm not. My husband's getting ready to go away to training, and I want him to be as prepared as possible if he needs something. And he's traveling with Trinity, so if she happens to get sick or have an accident, I want him to be able to clean the things that he needs without having to take time away from training to go to the grocery store to pick something up, to come back, to do a load of laundry or whatever. This way he has enough detergent for 2 loads, although he'll probably put this all in one, or he has enough to do some spot cleaning on any clothing. Like say she throws up on his uniform or gets sick or he spills something. He's got enough to do a little clean in the hotel bathroom sink. So this is laundry detergent, and what am I going to do? How am I going to make sure he transports this? Well, like literally, let me show you what I have gotten. Let me show you the cool things that you can do with something. I bet you didn't even know this existed. I bet you did, because you buy it. I bet you've had it in your house before, but you didn't know you could buy it and use it. Hold on. In walks Pack Fresh USA and their stand-up pouches. Let me show you something. This is the stand-up pouch. It has a pleated bottom, a gusset on the bottom, and it's got a little zipper right there. And it is very secure. You pop out the bottom and it stands up for you. The cool thing I like about this is that you can put liquids in here and it won't fall down. It's like a Weeble Wobble, you know, the Weebles, the Wobbles, but they don't fall down. Did I just date myself there? I also just massively, ow, that hurt. I guess when you're in your 50s, you still have a funny bone. Not so funny still. Anyways, I need to send my husband with some laundry detergent, and I am going to put it in this bag. But before I put it in this bag, I wanted to share with you the amazing uses or the sizes and everything that comes with it. A lot of you guys have asked me, how do I know how much of an oxygen absorber size to put in the bags? How do I calculate it? Whatever. You don't have to calculate it. You don't have to calculate it, because Pack Fresh USA does all the calculations for you. It's on their website. They send it to you. In most every order I've ever gotten has had all of the information about how to properly use their bags, which I love, by the way, because they want you to succeed. Wow, they want you to succeed. So they have 4 sizes. They have this, which is their small size. Then they have their medium size, and then they have their large size, and then they have their extra large size. So this would be baby, this would be little brother, sister, mama, and daddy. There you go. We're going to talk about the small size. We're going to work with the small size, but I wanted to go over this really quick with you. They send you packaging your product. They want you to know how to package it properly. They also send you the dimensions of each bag and the oxygen absorber size that you would need for each bag. So the small calls for 50 cc's. The medium, 100, 200, and the large, the daddy size, is 300 cc. Daddy size. Yeah. But they give you all the information that you want, and then they throw this in here, how to choose the right size stand-up pouch for your product. So this container right here is 4 ounces. I have 2 ounces of detergent in here. So for me, I would need the small, because the small volume of water it holds is 5.5 ounces. People, it's like literally that simple. You can take a screenshot and reverse it. The extra large one holds 68 ounces. I think that's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool that a company actually wants you to succeed in your storage of your food, and your items. So you saw me do maps in the last video. This one I'm going to be doing laundry detergent. Because like I said, if my husband has an accident or Trinity has an accident or he needs to get a stain out of something, he at least has the ability to do it. So I'm going to open this guy up. I'm going to pour this in. I'm going to try not to get any in the little crease, in the seam, the zipper part, and then get as much of the liquid I'm going to get a lot of the air out. Not a whole bunch, but enough. There you go. Make sure it's sealed. Now I could send him just like that, but I want to doubly make sure it's not going to pop open at any given time. So in walks my impulse sealer. If you don't have one of these, I highly recommend it. This one was given to me. Just gonna be honest, it was given to me. And let me be right back as I plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. Oh, is that a Glade commercial? I don't even use those things. Why am I singing the song? This is how much they want you to succeed. If you're using an impulse sealer, there's the instructions right there. It tells you impulse heat seal using the sealer at 400 for about 1 second, which means I turn my dial down because for 7 mil I do 7, right? Okay, so here's what I do. It's this all you have to do. You want to see? Yeah, let's see. You just lay it across the top. I don't have any liquid or anything in my seal that could hurt it. And then I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you hear it click off, count to 5. Don't immediately let up on it because you want to make sure those 2 layers mold together. Look at that seal. Look at how beautiful that seal is. Now I'm going to do it right up here. Remember, 1 is none, 2 is 1. So I'm going to go right up above at the very top. It's off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. Now I have 1 seal underneath the hole and 1 seal above the hole. You don't need to do this if you don't want to. It's just me. I feel better doing it. I feel better knowing that I have 2 seals. Let's just be honest. I am blonder than my husband pays for me to be. I like knowing that I have 2 seals. So you can unplug the impulse sealer, and this now is ready to go in my husband's luggage in his car. So he can go. Whoop! Oh! Have no fear. Whoop! That was an accident, but have no fear. Look at that. Yeah, laundry detergent. I guess I should label it. Always label everything. But there you go. He's got laundry detergent when he needs it. Phew. Now you know what I know. Go have fun, you guys. And remember, if you want to save some money and you want to order directly from them, which I highly recommend because they have been very kind in giving me the knowledge that I needed for food prep, for food storage, just use code Tabitha. That's how much I like them. That's how much I like them. Talk to you guys later.